like seatbelt. I don't want to! I don't want to!
Spoiled brat! You're an adult for crying out loud! Ah! No! No!
Taxi! Taxi!
Hey, come in! Hey, please put on your seatbelt.
You're the one who's gonna need some security. Ha 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 ha! This car is mine now! Get out or I'll shoot you!
Oh no! Another crazy passenger!
Stop! Stop!
Well. I'll now demonstrate the importance of the seatbelt in practice.
Stop now!
I hope he's learned his lesson. Ugh. Wear your seatbelts.
Oh no! This car door always opens by itself. Always. Always!